210 here. It's not powering up. No fan. It's not blowing any circuit breakers, which kind of threw me off. Usually when the boards are bad on these, it'll just pop the breaker. So I just had to make sure there was input power going in. So I checked at this little receptacle here. I've seen it where there's loose wires in there, so you want to check for AC voltage there. You got your hotline. I don't remember which one's the hotline and the neutral, but if you got power there, and then on the other side of this breaker, I'll show you the breaker here, this little guy right here, then you're pretty much gonna have power to the board. And unless there's some kind of loose wire from this receptacle or the other side of this breaker to that board, but you can ohm that out, and I would do that with the power off, because I've actually done that with the power on and shorted some stuff out in there. So those are a few things you can check. I also ohmed out the power switch. I can't really see it, but I just ohmed out the back of the power switch in there, and this unit is completely dead. These boards I saw on Amazon for 1,100 bucks. They're not super hard to replace. If you've never done these, it might just take you a little bit longer, but this is the inverter machine. See, these boards go out a lot. But yeah, if you got power going into this board, switch is good, then it's gonna be this bad boy. And it's one of the few times, like I said, that threw me off, because usually when these boards are bad, it pops the breaker and then it's immediately tells me that the board is bad. But this one didn't do it, so I just had to check that there wasn't any loose wires in that receptacle, and then obviously the breaker. So if you guys encounter that, some things to check out.